All right, good afternoon. This is Arif Rahman Shamim, and I'll be taking your precast interview. Are you ready for the interview?
Yes.
All right, can you please start with your name and date of birth?
My name is Shakiba Hassan Tushmi, and the date of birth is 7th December 2002.
All right, your last academic degree, please?
I finished my A levels in May-June 2022.
All right, have you appeared in any other English language test before this?
Yes, I sat for an IELTS exam and an SAT exam.
All right, great. So during your study in the A level, what you have achieved and what did you learn there?
I've acquired extensive knowledge on the subjects that I was studying in, and it is safe to say that I have done exceptionally well academically.
Okay, so what did you choose to study?
I chose to study LLB, which is the Bachelor's of Law, for my undergraduate degree.
All right. So, Ms. Tushmi, why not Bangladesh actually?
Well, there are a number of reasons for this. Firstly, the degrees provided here in Bangladesh are not recognized around the world. Furthermore, giant employers of Bangladesh generally look for foreign degrees for the top posts in an organization. Also, one of the determining factors were that uh, in Bangladesh, it takes around 5 to 6 years to complete an undergraduate degree, whereas in UK it only takes 3 years, 3 to 4 years.
3 to 4 years. All right. Okay, so you have chosen which university did you choose?
Roehampton University.
Hampton University. All right. Why? What do you think? What are the advantages or benefits you would get from this university?
Well, firstly, it is situated in London, which is a city full of opportunities, and it has all the modern facilities. Furthermore, it has lower tuition fees compared to other universities situated in London. One of the things that I really love about this university is that there are scholarship schemes where you have the possibility to get a £4,000 scholarship as an international student, which is rare in other universities. Furthermore, Roehampton University is placed at 101 in the QS World University rankings and has an overall rating of 4.3 stars. And it is a very famous university among the international students.
All right. What other campus facilities do you think you would get here?
One of my most favorite campus facilities would be the on-campus mock courtroom because it is directly interlinked with my degree. Furthermore, I really liked their world-class library, their sports arena. They have careers and employability services. And recently I heard that they have a free shuttle service and 54 acres beautiful parkland.
All right, that's great. Now, let me ask you, why did you choose to study in the UK?
One of the reasons that I personally wanted to study in UK is because it offers shorter university courses compared to other countries like USA, Canada, or Australia. And in UK, you get both theory and practice-based learning, which is technically the best of the both worlds. It also offers lucrative funding opportunities such as scholarships, bursaries, and grants. UK also offers part-time jobs during term times with 2 years post-work permit visa after the successful completion of my degree.
All right. Before applying to Roehampton University, have you considered any other university in the UK?
Yes, I considered Coventry University.
Okay. So why not Coventry?
One of the leading factors were that Roehampton University, the law degree provided by the Roehampton University is ranked first in the UK for student satisfaction. Furthermore, Roehampton University is situated in London. However, Coventry University is outside of London, which would mean lower modern facilities and opportunities. The cost is also one of the factors because in Roehampton universities, the cost is 14,000 £296. However, in Coventry University is £15,300 per year, with only £3,000 scholarship. However, in Roehampton, I will be eligible for a £4,000 scholarship.
Okay, so where is Roehampton located?
It is located in Grove House, Roehampton Lane, London.
And the area code, please?
SW155PJ.
PJ. Where will you stay when you come to the UK?
I plan on staying near Putney Bridge because it is only a 10 to 12 minutes commute to my.
How do you plan to commute from university to home and home to university?
I plan on taking the public transport, the bus system, which would only cost me £2.
The travel car. Where did you get this information from?
I got it on a website called Rome to Rio.
From Syria. All right. Did you check some of the accommodation facilities there, like house rent approximately?
Yes, I have checked them out. It is approximately 600 to £700 per month near Putney Bridge.
And where did you get this information from?
I got this information in websites like Zoopla and Rightmove.
Right. Well, have you booked any apartment already? Have you paid any rent?
No, I have not yet.
All right. So, Miss Tusmi, what is your tuition fee in this university?
In Roehampton, the tuition fee would be £14,296.
All right. Is there any scholarship available?
There are scholarships available of £4,000, but I don't know if I'm eligible yet since I did not receive my official offer.
Okay, that's great. And when is your course going to start?
It's going to start in January 2023.
January 2020. Who will bear all the expenses, your accommodation and your, tuition fees and books and other costs?
My parents will be my sponsor.
My parents. All right. What do they do and how they earn actually, and how much they earn yearly?
My mother is a businesswoman. She is the owner of RBM and BRS Bricks. She earns around 2 to 3 lakhs per month and around 24 to 23 lakhs yearly. My father is a government officer. He is working in the Anti-Corruption Commission Department, and he's the deputy director. He earns around 2 lakhs per year. And
2
we
lakhs per
also
year?
have, yeah, my father.
2 lakhs per year.
Yes, and my mother earns more. My
Okay.
mother is the breadwinner in the
Okay.
family.
Okay. That's great. All right. Have you checked the university refund policy?
Yes, I have.
Can you tell me the refund policy?
Oh, well, one of the refund policies is if my visa gets rejected, I will be eligible for the refund. And the other one is if I fail my pre-CAS interview, which I'm sitting for right now, then I'll be getting the refund.
All right. So, what do you plan to do in your free time when you are in the UK?
Well, I am an avid lover of basketball, so I plan on being more active in that area. And since Roehampton has a sports arena, I think that would be perfect for me. Other than that, I really love to travel And since London is known for its tourist spots, I would love to grab that opportunity.
All right. And what do you actually plan to do once you are actually done with the degree in the UK?
Well, there will be a lot of pathways open for me, career-wise, but I want to be a legal advisor in a company.
Okay. Have you got any company in your mind?
Yes, there was a company that I completed my summer internship program from, and I would love to bounce back to that company or to any other companies like Akich Food or Banglalink, Robi, and
Okay. So,
other.
as a legal advisor or legal consultant, what do you think you need to do? What are the responsibilities you need to carry out there?
Well, the responsibilities would include providing legal guidance to businesses or clients. And I believe that the duties of legal advisors include structuring solutions for disputes, providing support in legal issues, and reviewing legal materials and contracts.
And how much do you think you can earn monthly?
Monthly, I can earn between 1 to 3 lakhs.
And the source of information, please?
Well, I have seen these posts in bdjobs.com, and I personally also know, as I've mentioned, I've worked at a law firm previously, so the barrister I was working under gave the details.
All right. So, what are the modules do you think? I mean, your core or course offers?
There are many interesting modules such as legal systems, ethics, and skills. There is legal communication, law of contract, public law and human rights, criminal law, law reform, and law of torts. There's also law of property, European Union law of business enterprises.
All right. So let me ask you, what do you think you will learn in the law? I mean, in the module, law of business enterprises.
In law of business enterprises, I believe the purpose of the module is to provide a basic introduction to the structures and functions of business enterprises and to explore the legal theories, rules, and commercial drivers that influence the practice of law concerning limited companies, partnerships, and other business models.
Okay. And law of property.
Well, in law of property, I think the main focus would be on the fundamental concepts and principles concerned with ownership and the way in which the law engages with the concept of ownership, understanding the legal definition of land and the meaning of land ownership and how land is transferred.
Which are the modules do you think would be very difficult for you?
I believe the module of criminal law because in this module, the students will be introduced to key criminal law concepts and principles, such as what a crime is and etc. And the main focus will be some of the more specific offenses, such as murder, rape, manslaughter, non-fatal offenses against the person, and theft. And as I am previously a law student, as I had the subjects in my A levels, I am well aware with this topic, and it is particularly a difficult one for me.
All right. And how did you get to know about Roehampton University?
I got to know about Roehampton universities from some of my friends who are attending the universities, and my father's friend who is an alumni, and from my university counselors.
Okay. So how much actually do you have as a bank statement already?
I have around 25,000 pounds.
Okay. And are you aware of the fact that you need to bear a health insurance fee?
Yes, I am aware of that.
How much is that?
It is 470 pounds annually.
All right. And 3 years?
It would be around 1,410 pounds.
1,410 pounds. All right. So, do you wish to stay back in the UK when you are done with the degree?
No, I wish to come back here in Bangladesh.
Are you aware of the fact that you can legally avail the facility? You can work 2 years.
Yes, I would love to avail that opportunity. I would love to work for 2 years in UK, because I believe that the work experience that I can gain in UK would be very, very beneficial when I eventually afterwards return back to my country.
All right. Thank you so much, Ms. Tusmi. I think that is the end of today's interview session with you, and I'm done with all my questions that I needed to know from you. And yes, I can definitely tell you that you have successfully passed the interview. So congratulations for that.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Take care.